Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Citibank Australia online check-in and saving account in 2023. Citibank is a renowned global bank, provide a wide range of financial products and services to customers worldwide. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up your Citibank online check-in and saving account, allowing you to manage your financials conveniently and securely. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section to visit, of course, the Citibank Australia website. So go here to this URL section, type cibank.com.au and hit the enter button. That should take you right away to the home screen or main screen of the Citibank account. And of course, once you're there, so just wait for the page until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. So as you can see, once you're here, you can always sign on or sign into your account. If you have an account, if you already created an account here, like you have a credit card of them or something like that, and you have an account, logging into your account will prevent you from adding a lot of personal information, verifying your ID while you open your checking and saving account on this video. And of course, if you don't know much about this account or this bank, you can always scroll down, read more information about it. So just have an information about the bank or some information about the bank, have an idea about the bank, familiarize yourself with the bank, like see what people say about it and etc. So because a lot of people will not just want to open a bank account on a random bank that they know nothing about. And once you are not hesitating anymore, you can always go to this top right corner like search button, because this will help you like search about everything if you don't want to get lost in here. So go here at the top right corner and search, and let's just type as an example, just type saving and hit the enter button, and let's just wait for the search. And of course here we will find, I guess, a list of what we can do. So let's just wait. The website looks a bit slow. Maybe it have a overload at the moment, but it's not going to be a big deal. So let's just wait for this. And of course, as you can see, so here we are. So we have the saving calculator and saving accounts. Find the best saving account for you. That's what we want. So click on it. And we can even close this, but let's open just in case. And as you can see here, we have like, so following the sales of Consumer Banking Business to National Australia Bank Limited or NAB, CC branded transaction saving accounts are no longer viable to open. If you have any questions about your Citibank online saver accounts, please visit the transition to NAB and please log into the Citi Online and ensure your contact details are up to date so you don't miss any important messages from us regarding this product. So as you can see from here, we'll not be able to open any saving account on this bank or on the Citibank because they transmit everything to NAB. Go and click on transition to NAB. So let's just click on in X. And as you can see here, let's just read like information about it. So we know what will open on NAB. So we have here 4.75% PA, available introduction rate for the first 4 months. So there is a competitive interest saving. Earn our variable introductory rate, currently 4.75% PA for the first 4 months when your balance remains under 500 grand or $500,000. And of course, at the end of 4 months of it, at any time your balance exceeded like this $500,000, including due to an interest credit to your account will have our ongoing standards variable rate. Currently, it's going to be the 4.35 instead of 4.75. And of course, for example, if your initial balance is $500,000 and you earn $1,000 interest in month one, your balance of 501 grand in month two, you will earn interest just of 4.35 on the entire balance, even though you are in the introductory period, which is the first 4 months. So of course you can even, as an example, this is for the checking account. You can go here as example and deposit, and let's check for the checking account at the moment. So of course it's going to be the same message. So everything or following the sale of the Citi customers banking business to National Australia Bank or NAB. So everything actually is forwarded or transitioned into the NAB bank account. So of course you can even sign on online here. And if you want like to open your checking account and saving account, so once you do so, of course you'll be taken here. So as you can see, what's my account change, so you'll be able to find everything that you want here if you want to know more information about it. And on 1st of June, National Australia Bank Limited acquired the City Customers Banking business in Australia. So if you want to open now a new account, you'll have to go to NAB. Of course, it's not going to be a big deal. So, for example, let's just go here to deposits and click on everyday accounts because we saw the saving account. Let's just now see the everyday accounts. Of course, the same message. So, of course, if you want to open like on NAB, you'll find a video on the channel how to do that. I already made a video on how to open an NAB account. You can go and check it out. And now let's just read more information about this in the meanwhile on the city because it's going to be the same kind of. So you can see we have here like the everyday account, the saving account to sell that. Now we want everyday account. So our our fee-free City Bank Plus transaction account is a basic account, ideal for all your day-to-day needs, shopping online and online store and overseas. So click on learn more. Of course, same message. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to read more information about the everyday accounts. So the features, free fee, debits, Mastercard travel rewards, and term deposits. You can read, of course, more information, pause the video and read all the features that you want. So, of course, we'll be able to see the same features here. And, of course, what's the basic account? You'll be able to find everything here. So, basic accounts have a minimum of no account keeping fees, free periodic statement, no minimum deposits, free direct debit facilities, access to a debit card at no extra cost, free and unlimited Australian domestic transaction, and of course, special features for basic accounts includes no information overdraft, no owner fees, and no overdrawn fees. So basically, now if you want to open the City Australia bank account, you can simply go to nab.com .au and hit the enter button. Once you do so, of course, you'll have to go and open your accounts right here on this account. And as I said before, I've already made a video about that, so you can go and check it out, and you'll find it in the channel. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. Thank you, of course, for following these steps or step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Citibank account online and checking and saving accounts in 2023. So, Citibank offers a wide range of financial solutions to cater your needs, and their customer support is ready to assist you whenever required. But at the moment, they transfer everything to this bank account, which is NAB. So, you can go and deal with that if you want to. So, make sure to keep your account information once you open it secure and enjoy the convenience of managing your your financials with the Citibank and even NAB because they transfer everything. So, I wish you your success on financially, and that's gonna be it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.